So I seeded this area, I think it was September, right around September 5th, somewhere in that ballpark. And then this whole area, we can kind of see the different color of green. That's Jonathan Green, Black Beauty Ultra. I put some new soil in here and I prepped it really well. So, and I watered it, consistently. So 3 times a day, just keeping it wet. Didn't really soak it. But we didn't get a lot of rain in that period. So watering it as much as I did definitely paid off. But this stuff was this creeping bent grass was just a serious invasion. So came in really well, nice and thick. I really like the color to it. So pretty satisfied with it, nice and soft, and I like the color. So it came in really, really well, real thick and lush. So pretty satisfied with it. And then second spot, actually I did 2 more areas that I seeded with this. Second one was like right in here. You can kind of see a little bit of the color right there. So that came in really well. I did that first section down there just by itself because that was kind of a lot to get to. So then I did the second area. I focused on this section here. And again, that came in really well. The color's looking really good. So that's the property line right there. So pretty satisfied with it. And then the last section was right here. You can kind of see some of the coloring. So basically right here and then over. So a couple small bare spots. Might have missed some seed there, but no big deal. And then went up to here, I think. So I started ripping off some more. I have some clover there that I got to get rid of. I started ripping off a few more sections. I just didn't have enough seed to do everything. So that will be for the spring. Already thinking about spring lawn care. So for those of you fanatics, I'm sure you guys are as well. So gonna rip this part up, and then you can see some of the other small spots that I seeded. There's this section right here. This used to be, when we moved in, this was like there was a basketball net here. And it was just a low spot, so I just used whatever seed I had, which was kind of a cheap seed, as you can tell. So a lot of thick, I don't know, it might have been K31. It's just not the greatest. So it's kind of a low spot too. So I'll probably rip this area up as well as this section here. And then reseed probably Jonathan Green as well, since did a really good job. But there's a few other sections like right here. You can kind of see just a few small spots of clumping fescue, like there, right here, and then there's a little one. So all in all, it looks really good. I fertilized this section once, and then that's pretty much that. So pretty satisfied with it. So now I just got to worry about the rest of these leaves coming down. And another issue we have to deal with, Consumers Energy is coming out and trimming these trees all along the street 10 feet over. That's what they say. So this is not going to look good. They're going to chop a bunch of this off. So not really happy about that, but what can you do? Some neighbors probably have it a lot worse. So, and these leaves are coming down like crazy, but the grass is looking pretty good. Since I'm here, let's take a look over here and see where we're at. Yeah, the decorations aren't even done yet. So I got one more application of fertilizer to go, and you can kind of see the difference in color with the neighbors, but I'm pretty satisfied with how it's looking. There's very few weeds in here, so that's a good thing, right? And then this tree I trimmed up really well. It's on the neighbor's property. So the reason I did that is because a lot of this was shady over here, and the grass I think was having a hard time growing in here. So I'll have to reseed that area. I did some Jonathan Green in this area as well, and I'm gonna overseed probably in the spring. So that's that. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.